Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and today I am going to make 3 holiday cards featuring the Spellbinders October 2023 card kit of the month. This kit is called Feeling Festive and it comes with your standard A2 size card bases. You'll get 8 of those with coordinating envelopes, and as well you get look at this variety of pattern paper. We have 20 sheets of 6x6 pattern papers. They are a paper weight as opposed to a cardstock weight, which is great because I am going to add up quite a few different layers here. So it is nice sometimes to have thinner weight papers to work with. And for each of my cards, I am actually going to use the same sketch on all 3 of them, but I thought it would be fun to kind of show some different colorways. And what's neat about this kit is that there are a lot of your traditional Christmas colors, but then there are also some non-traditional Christmas colors as well. So I thought it would be fun to actually kind of mix and match the papers and just show different color combinations. I actually really gravitate towards the pattern papers that have these nice small prints. I feel like they are great backgrounds or backdrops, and because they don't have a lot of different color to them, because the print is so small, it's almost like a solid color. It doesn't really detract too much from your focal image. So sometimes I like for my papers to add a little bit of interest, but really stay in the background. And sometimes I want to make the paper the star. And this is one of those occasions where I want the papers to really be part of the background. The other thing that I brought in that's not part of the kit is a set of nested circle dies. So I've die cut some solid color cardstock, which does come in the kit, and I used the larger of the 2 circles that I picked out for that. And with the smaller of the 2 circles, I die cut a second coordinating pattern paper. And because it is a paperweight, I was actually able to cut through all 3 of the pattern papers that I chose in one pass. So that's kind of nice if you are making a lot of holiday cards, and like me today, if you're using the same sketch for all of them, these papers are really easy to cut through in multiples. So that does make it a bit of a time saver. In the original card sketch, which is by Helen of Crafty Mama Diaries here on YouTube, she's got a strip of pattern paper that runs across the width of her card that has double fishtail banner ends. And what I thought I would do, instead of actually cutting one long strip and, fishtailing the ends of it, I'm actually going to use a banner flag die that I have. It's actually from a nested die set that's by Fun Stamper's Journey. So it's an older die set. And it's the perfect size. It doesn't match exactly the dimensions that Helen has on her sketch, but as with all sketches, I kind of take my liberties and use what I have. So in this case, I use the die and I'm going to cut 2 ends instead of one long strip. That way, I can kind of conserve my pattern paper a little bit and make it stretch a little bit further, because the center of that strip is going to be covered by my circle. So a large part of that you're not going to see anyways. And since it's only going to get covered up, why not just skip it all together and save a little bit on pattern paper? Especially with the Spellbinders kit, I do try to make my paper stretch as much as possible, because while we do get a lot of paper, there are 20 sheets, but they are all unique. So I love the variety that we get, but on the flip side of that, it does make me want to really be careful about how I cut my pattern papers so that I can really get the most out of it. Now, I'm gonna set most of the rest of this video to some music so you can continue to watch these cards evolve. Besides the circle die set and the banner flag die set, everything else that I use will be part of the card kit. But before I set this video to music, I should mention that my video today is part of a collaboration hop that I organize with some of my fellow Spellbinders influencers. We like to get together a few times a month to collaborate and share inspiration both on YouTube and on Instagram. And you can find all of the videos on this particular hop by clicking the hashtag SpellbindersOct23clubs. My fellow designers are going to pick different club kits from this month and share projects featuring those club kits. I'm excited to hop and see what everybody else chose to work with this month. And what I love about coordinating these hops is that we get a chance to give you a lot of inspiration featuring the new products that are releasing by Spellbinders. And also, I think it's really fun to hop along and actually maybe visit some new designers that you haven't seen before. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. And I hope if you are a regular of my channel, I hope you'll hop along and maybe meet some new designers that you haven't seen before. So be sure to check out that hashtag SpellbindersOct23clubs. And if for some reason that doesn't actually bring up all of the videos on this hop, just expand the description box below. I'll leave direct links to everybody's video, and that way you can easily find everybody. If you do enjoy the videos that you're watching, I hope you'll consider leaving a like and a comment. And if you want to see more from each of the designers on this hop, I hope you'll also subscribe to their channels as well. Before I go though, I do want to mention that all of the Spellbinders October club kits are open for new subscribers. So if you want to check out any of the club kits, just expand the description box below. You'll see my affiliate links to the Spellbinders subscriptions. You can subscribe to any of the monthly kits that you like. Do check out the value club kits though, because there's different combinations. So if you do think that you might like to pick up multiple different kits, there might actually be a value club combination. And with those, you do get a little bit of a discount. So make sure to check to see if there's a value club kit that covers the kits that you're most interested in getting. I won't rejoin you at the end of this video, so go ahead and say my goodbyes now. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this hop. Thanks again, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye!